Alright, this is problem number 5 for the extricated of exam 4. And it is a problem from exam 4, and it reads as follows. What particle is produced in the following reaction? And then it gives us radon 222 yields plus polonium 218. And to solve this problem, we basically do the same as we did for problem 4. We are going to subtract the atomic mass of the polonium from the atomic mass of the radon, and then we're also going to subtract the atomic number of polonium from the atomic number of the radon. And on the top, that's going to give us 4, and on the bottom, that's going to give us 2. So we're going to have a 4 and 2. So we're looking for a particle that has an atomic mass of 4 and an atomic number of 2. And as we know, an alpha particle is actually composed of 2 neutrons and 2 protons, and we know that the amount of neutrons plus the amount of protons that we have gives us our atomic mass. So 2 neutrons plus 2 protons, 2 protons plus 2 neutrons give us the 4 of our atomic mass that we had. And then we also know that the number of protons is usually the same as a number of atomic number. And as we see here, we have an atomic number of 2 for our particle, and we have 2 protons for our alpha particle. And then again, our alpha particle has an atomic mass of 4, and as we see here, it concurs with the information that they've given us so far. So we can assume that the particle that's missing, or that will be produced when the reaction of radon occurs, will be the alpha particle, or D. Thank you.